Pixels has announced an airdrop for RONIN stackers. Total 20 million pixels allocated, 10 million in the first phase. Snapshot date February 8, 2 AM UTC. There are 4 tiers. The tier 1 winner will get 183.34 pixels. In tier 2, 55 winners will get 675.75 pixels. In tier 3, 684 round will get 2315.77 pixels, and tier 4, 8317 round will get 3955.11 pixels. How to claim if eligible? Open the link I drop into the description. Log on with your RONIN wallet. Check your mailbox. You can only claim half the amount as of now. You must maintain your eligibility to claim the next part when it's open. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe our channel.